When you're using AutoCAD 2009, you'll notice that the ribbon looks very different to AutoCAD 2010, which I've used previously. The ribbon panels don't actually highlight with a colour like AutoCAD 2010 does, and you'll notice there's only 2 rows of icons for a start. You'll notice that the tabs have different names as well. You'll notice some of those have changed. We don't have the Blocks and References tab, for example, in AutoCAD 2010. That has changed quite dramatically. You still have, however, the Quick Access toolbar here, and you also have the big red A with the flyout menu. Now, in AutoCAD 2009, this A with the flyout menu, as you can see there, is known as the menu browser. And when I click on the flyout, you'll see that basically it's a repetition of the old classic AutoCAD interface pull-down menu. So we've got File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, and so on. So you'll see there, when I look, for example, at Format, I can go and select a text style, for example. So when I click on Text Style there, the Text Style dialog box appears. So it's like having pull-down menus, but in a slightly different place. So if I now went to, say, Annotate there, and I looked here at Text, I've still got the Text Style icon. Now those have changed again in AutoCAD 2010. If I want a text style in AutoCAD 2010, I have to click on the little arrow down here in the bottom corner. Now these are actually the flyouts in 2009. So there are these discrepancies where things are different. So there's text style there. I've got an icon for it in AutoCAD 2009. So as you can see there, the menu browser is here. And I've also got things like recent documents. That'll show me the drawings I've had open recently. I've also got open documents, and as you can see, the open document I've got there is the O2 ACAD 2009 menu browser drawing. I've got recent actions as well, things like Format, Text Style, File, Save As, and so on. But that's all I've got. The only other things I've got are Options here. If I click on Options, that'll open up the Options dialog box, which is the same in pretty much every version of AutoCAD. I'll cancel that there and go back to the browser here and click here again. I've also got, obviously, Exit AutoCAD. I'm not going to do that at this particular point in time. Now, the only other difference is the search menu here. I can click here and type in something that I'm looking for. So if I type in menu, for example, it will find me all the matches for menu. And you can see there, it's Configure. Tools, Tablet, Configure. It's got the word menu in it. If I go back and type in, let's say, O2 dash and then an asterisk with a wildcard, will it find me anything there? There isn't any result found. So as you can see, it's not as sophisticated as the application menu that we have in AutoCAD 2010, but it does the job. I'll just hit escape there now a couple of times, and as you can see, that is the menu browser in AutoCAD 2009, which basically gives you, as you can see there, a repetition of the pull-down menus in older versions of AutoCAD.